Modern technologies have transformed the mantra of living in today's world. We are surrounded by countless blessings, yet not everybody can see all the glorified elements the diverse universe has to offer. Most of us take our eyesight for granted, never thinking of those who cannot see the beauty that surrounds them. Now, the time has come to usher out blindness so everyone can enjoy the natural charms of this beautiful world. Join us today as we dive into the depths to discover how scientists have reversed blindness with the latest technology named CRISPR. CRISPR is an acronym that stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It is a tool that scientists use to edit genomes. It is also used to correct genetic defects and to treat and prevent disease. CRISPR is like a pair of biological scissors that can shear away at DNA. So how does it work? How does it function? CRISPR is a method used to discover a particular bit of DNA inside our cells. Once that particular part of DNA is found, it can be altered or cut. CRISPR can also turn genes on and off. In the CRISPR regularity, scientists use a marked enzyme like a pair of molecular scissors. These miniature scissors operate as a feigned guide made from RNAs. They act as a messenger to carrying instructions on where exactly to slit the DNA. The guide scours the DNA sequences until it comes across its target, a bit like a Google search. Once the right area is found, the enzyme shears it. The DNA then tries to repair itself by looking for the nearest bits of DNA. Scientists will have introduced a particular DNA sequence alongside the guide so that when the repairing DNA looks for the bits, it grabs the one sent by them. A microscope and a minute needle can do the job of injecting both the biological scissors and the DNA sequence. Restoring eyesight. Scientists have carried out hundreds of experiments over the years. The result is that today they can use CRISPR technology for gene therapy. Recently, scientists tried injecting genes straight into the eyeballs of visually impaired people via the CRISPR regularity. The results were successful to the extent that some were even able to see colors. The first paper to report these results was published in April of 2021 by the University of Pennsylvania. This was followed by a study published by Harvard in September of 2021. One of the studies reported a legally blind person who regained his vision for over a year following a single injected dose of CRISPR gene editing. The main goal was to reverse a specific mutation caused by a genetic crux called LCA. This gene causes progressive blindness early in life, worsening until the patient goes blind. LCA stops the body from producing a particular protein called CEP290, critical for healthy eye receptor cells. The CRISPR treatment spills some RNA into those cells, triggering the desired protein production. The results were visible for up to 15 months. The results. One of the experiment participants was Michael. He was born with cerebral palsy, and this was a life-changing experience for him. He shared his overall experience on how the revolutionary CRISPR technology helped to restore his vision so he could do the things he could never do before. One of the officials said that they were thrilled to see the improvements brought about by the technology. They quoted the experiment as a significant step. Another patient, Carlene Knight, said that she now feels safer at work as she bumps into fewer people. She celebrated the success of the process by dyeing her hair green, her favorite color. The future. The revolutionary emerging CRISPR technology looks promising. It could treat kidney diseases, blood disorders, and even cancer. Furthermore, the results from various studies could open doors for other cruxes when the doctors cannot remove the cells from the body. To add to this, scientists recently performed a successful pig-to-human kidney transplant on a brain-dead human who was on life support. The team used the CRISPR regularity to turn off cells that would have rejected the kidney. That was all for today's video. If you're a science freak, then you may have loved this one. If you did, then please smash that like button. Also, do subscribe for more such content.